Stimulus. So stimulus is something that causes a reaction. Generally, it's something of interest, causes excitement or some sort of energy. Some good synonyms for stimulus are motive, incentive, and encouragement. Discriminative stimulus is a type of stimulus that, when present, will reinforce a particular response. So in the picture shown, a teacher will tell a student, point to B. The reinforced response is selecting B, and when the student picks that, it leads to a reinforcement, which can be verbal praise, a tangible item like food or something like that. So the discriminative stimulus in that is B, because all the other answers are incorrect, and the teacher tells the student what the correct answer will be. In real life, a discriminative stimulus can be washing your hands in hot water. The stimulus would be the faucet, and the reinforcement would be the hot water that you want to use. Stimulus generalization is when a similar stimuli triggers a similar response. So it can be related to classical conditioning, which is when two stimuli are repeatedly paired. So for example, fear is a big one that's paired with something. So fear can be paired with seeing a snake. So a child might see a snake on TV eating another animal, and so the characteristics of the snake, like being long, no legs, having fangs, is paired in their brain with fear. And so anytime they see something resembling those characteristics, they experience fear. So every time a child sees a snake, they don't recondition their brain to fear. It's automatically there from the one time seeing it. It can also be related to operant conditioning, which is when behavior is modified through reward or punishment. So for example, oftentimes when children are potty training, they'll receive rewards for using the potty. And again, every time the child sees a potty, you don't have to go over the training process. They know what a toilet is and they know how to use it. And so the reward, the stimulus, is generalized to know what to do when they go.